Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your Albert routing and account number. If you don't have an Albert account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $150. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for account at the upper right part of the screen. Click on Account. At the account screen, you will see several tabs. Click on the tab that says Card Information. On this tab, you will see a section for your routing number. To view the account number, click on the toggle button beside Show ACH account number. That's how you view your Albert routing and account number. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.